Hey y'all, it's Carmen. I am here with my very first entry into my birthday anniversary challenge. And first, let me say I apologize. I've already talked to Miss Trina. This is from Trina with Trina's Place here on YouTube. And I'm going to leave her link in the description box below. Please be sure to go check her out. I've already talked to her and explained to her what happened, but I'm going to apologize to y'all because I did do the original unboxing with my reaction, and the lighting went crazy, and then everything went blurry, and I could not fix it. I tried to redo and redo. I think I figured it out. I think it was the yellow paper that was included, and so I think that's part of it. But we're going to try this again, and I'm going to try to go quicker this time because I'm also very lengthy because I get so excited looking at all the details. So y'all ready for some goodies? Yay, I'm so excited. Trina, thank you. You way did too much. Now the first thing I'm going to show you, because this is part of where the yellow went crazy, but she had the extra goodies wrapped up in this gorgeous, I guess you would call it a belly band, but more than likely, my daughter may be stealing it for my baby granddaughter, but we'll see. But Trina, you have to let me know where you got this unicorn ribbon, girl, because I need that in my life. I love it. I'm going to remove that just in case the yellowing is coming back from all that gold. But she did way too much, y'all. Way too much. I did see the VR. I tried not to pay close attention to it. Like I wouldn't be watching it, but I'd hear it. And then when I'm listening, and this is what I'm trying to do with most so that I can be surprised a little bit, that if I hear descriptions start being said, I'll kind of hit that 10-second fast forward button. So I'm watching, but I'm not watching, if that makes any sense. But she did send me this, and I don't know if you paid that close attention that you know that I am a baker and I do bake. I have never seen anything like this, and I love it. So I'm going to have to get my eldest daughter to come and help me make some of these and put these together. But are they not cute? And this would be so cute at Christmas. The kids would love it. So, Brittany, call out, shout out. You're helping. But thank you for that. That is so sweet. Then she also sent these little pocket pouches, which I have nothing like them. And so I cannot wait to put these to use. And as a matter of fact, I've got a couple of projects that I'm probably going to be including these in soon. So thank you for that, sweetheart. I appreciate it. And this gorgeous lace. Now, this may be another thing that's turning it. My screen yellow so bad. So I'm going to do this real quick. But y'all, you cannot, I've looked and I have not been able to get the true color on screen of what this is. But this is like a creamy orange, or what I call a sherbet color. And it is absolutely gorgeous. Definitely going to make a hair bow for my little granddaughter out of this because it's just gorgeous, gorgeous lace. And I hope y'all are getting a view of that. And then look. She made this one out of some of the lace that's in the mint green, and this reminds me of lime sherbet. Maybe I just need a little ice cream in my life right now because that's just what I think. Lime sherbet, orange sherbet. Now where's the raspberry sherbet? But look, she did all these little embellishments, and I'm going to let y'all look at those while I go through this because I do have a couple of questions about that. But I love it. I have not attempted a rosette. I've attempted making the fans, but I have not attempted the rosettes yet. So I'm very excited about having these. I definitely have some projects I would like to make and include these here soon. So I appreciate that. And it's got the little pumpkin resin on it. It says scary. Love it. Thank you, thank you, thank you. You have overdone it. And look how cute that little spider is. I love the little bag topper. And then these, is this stickers or the felt stickers, or did you die cut those out? And also, do me a favor, let me know, because these spiders look similar. Well, there is subtle differences. But did you paint that? Or did you buy those like that? Because it looks like it's got a metallic paint on it. And if you didn't, either way, I'm inspired because I love the way that looks. That one looks like it glows in the dark. I'm going to have to check that out. And then look at all these extra goodies she sent. Now these, y'all know I'm not real good with names of brands and stuff. So heads up, apologies for that too. But I just like what I like, and I know I keep saying that. But I do know these are little yo-yos. Did you make these? I just hauled some out of a D-stash. That's why I asked. But they are so cute. And then this is like those little gems we've all been getting from BB Craft, except for this is like an itty bitty baby one. So you don't have to tell me where you got that too, girl. And then all these gorgeous pieces. Another rosette with a sparkly butterfly. These, I'm in love. Okay. Now, again, I don't know names, but is this Maggie Holmes? I know she had some like puppy hearts, gold, and the floral paper. And they all seem to mix and match with each other. So, just kind of made me wonder. But just look at all that gorgeousness and that. This right here is another little tiny, this is actually a marquee style bling. So where she found that, I'm not sure, but so cute. My first engagement ring was actually a marquee style with, my daughter has it now. Explore, the Precious Swan, the little cotton candy with the BFF, I love it. Where's the other one? And this one says smile and the little cotton candy stick. That is so cute. Free spirit. Every road should have a path. I love how you did these little things out the side. I haven't seen that done. I love that. The Queen's Kiss. Is that a good kiss or is that like Queen of Hearts poisonous kiss? Who knows? I think it's sweet. I love it. I love it, I love it, I love it. The first step in a journey. And then this one, look, y'all, that little unicorn. Oh, I just realized that has some little glitters on it. How cute is that? And girl, you got to be patient to be able to do that because by the time I try to make a little one, a little bow like that, I am so frustrated and aggravated. I'm like, ugh, it's just not worth it. But, Trina, they're gorgeous. And you know, I've been wanting handmade embellishments for so long. And I love that I got yours. And, y'all, excuse the noise. I want to make sure I pile this up in here so I don't lose it. I want to keep up with it and get it organized. Not only did she send me an adorable memory decks card, she's the first one who ever sent me an memory decks card. So my first two memory decks are from Miss Trina. She sent me one for entering her challenge. And I love and appreciate it so much. And then she sent me a second one. But before I show you her memory decks, let me show you what she made me as her extra. Remember, I asked for one memory decks and one item as a crafter's choice. And I believe it's either the embellishments or this, but I'm pretty sure it was this. Crafter's choice, and this is what she chose. And is it not cute with the little mermaid and her hands all up in her hair being so pretty and cute? And it says, dream come true, and it has the rose and the sunglasses and the gorgeous eyelash trim. But what I want to know is where you got this metal tag. That is awesome. I love that. And I'm going to have me an area where I'm going to be displaying. My room will have, sorry, there's a little piece of fuzz, I think, from the eyelash trim. And my area, my craft room, I'm redoing. Y'all know that. And it's going to be done in reds and blacks and grays. But I'm going to have this one wall that's going to be designated for things that I love that are just rainbow color. Anything, any color will go in that area. And so I get to display all y'all's goodies and your beautiful cards and all that. So thank you so much for that, Miss Trina. But I would like to know where you got the tag. And now for the piece de resistance. Y'all ready? Boom! Look at that gorgeous, gorgeous memory decks. It's got the little 3D butterfly. Now, like I said, I'm not good with names, but this does look like it's the Maggie Holmes carousel, because it's got the little swans in the background with the carousel, and of course the carousel heart, and then she put the gold little butterfly, dimensional butterfly, and then she's got her information on the back, and her birthday is actually February the 8th, which, yay, that's one day, the day before my youngest daughter's birthday. Lily, her birthday is actually February the 9th. So how cool is that? And then her favorite craft is paper craft. So thank you so much for that. Thank you for your entry. Thank you for just being you. Y'all, if y'all have not checked her out, and I'm sure most of you have, but I've got some new subscribers lately, and I'm telling y'all, you need to go check out Trina with Trina's Place, because she has got a heart of gold. She is there and just so super sweet for everybody. But she is one of the biggest supporters here on YouTube, and it's not just for me, it's for everybody. She is just that kind-hearted and has that type of soul. So y'all be sure to check her out. Her description, once again, will be left in the bottom. So make sure you show more or drop that box down and show her some crafty love and appreciation, because it is well deserved. And y'all, thank you so much for this opportunity to do this, because I am so excited to be able to share all the goodies y'all are blessing me with. So thank you. I hope you have a blessed, blessed Sunday. And as always, I wish you the best.